So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 sure ways to make sure you're heading off to a wrong start if you're buying your first property on your own. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Zoe. I've been in the real estate industry for past 4 years and counting and have helped more than 70 families expand their real estate portfolio. And my mission is to help guide solos just like myself to preserve and to grow their wealth through real estate. Now, the first sure way is to make sure that you are zealous in timing the market. Now, the whole idea is you're just looking at the charts and trying to catch the dip. If the charts are going up, you are not concerned, you're not going to take action, you're just going to keep your money in wherever stocks and shares and deposits. You are just looking at the graph, looking at the dips, and if the dip is not low enough, you're not entering, you don't need to ask questions about whether or not there are opportunity costs or whether or not will the loan capability just be degraded over the years as you are waiting. The whole mindset is just to look at the chart. If the dip is not low enough, there is also no need to take action. So even if you somehow miss the dip and it went upwards the next day, you are just okay to continue waiting for the next dip to appear. And if that dip is not as bad as the previous dip, you are not entering as well. The second sure way to make sure that you're heading off to a wrong start is to just be focused on the price itself. You're just focusing on the cheapest price. You go to the portals, you look at the listings, you sort it out by the price, and whatever that is the cheapest is what you are gunning for. It doesn't matter the asset, it doesn't matter or not whether the asset class is going to have more growth in future. No, you're just looking for discount, you're just looking for something that is way below market value, and you're also not questioning why is it way below market value? Why is the price so sweet that it is so way cheaper than the other projects in the area? These are not of your concern. You just want to look for the cheapest, enter, park your money, and that's it. The third sure way to make sure that you are heading off the wrong start, just park your money into the property itself and you're not thinking like a seller 4 to 5 years later. There is no need for you to be concerned about who will be your future buyers when you want to sell in future. There's also no need for you to be concerned about the potential growth, what is in the area, how will your unit stand out from the rest. That will not be of your concern or priority at all. You just put your funds into the cheapest unit. That's it. When it's time to sell, then you come to think of it. So these are the 3 sure ways to make sure that you're heading off to a wrong start for the first property purchase. If you're keen to find out the biggest mistake that I regret in my first property purchase, watch this video.